let's go kill some cops. No. Then let's smoke pot. No, I don't think that's such a good idea. You're right. Let's smoke crack. I sure love crack. I don't think that you should smoke crack. It's addictive. So's your mama, but I managed to resist. Hold my pipe for a second. I don't want to touch that. Come on, I gotta answer the door. Okay.
Hand over the crack pipe. You're under arrest.
It's not mine. I'm holding it for a friend.
Sure you are. Now hand over the crack pipe. I'm going to have to take you downtown.
Oh, he's not gonna come peacefully. He's been smoking crack all day. No, I haven't. And earlier today, he was talking about killing cops. That was you.
Put your hands where I can see them.
I don't have hands. He's going for a gun. Thank God. You saved us all from that hopped-up crackhead. You want to smoke some crack?
Yes.